I, on behalf of TRS party and my leader, Shri KCR Garu, wholeheartedly welcome this initiative. Honorable Minister also knows that my Chief Minister is very keen on greening up Telangana and have dedicated, committed resources allocated to the greening initiative. In fact, Javadekar ji had visited the state and has understood the initiatives taken by us. But ma'am, as a country, we should sincerely introspect into what we do, what have we done so far. From the time of independence, madam, from 1947 till 1980, reports say that approximately 4 to 5 million hectares of land, forest land was given away, but there is no proper quantification, so we do not know what has happened. But in 1980, when for the first time the Forest Act was formed, the very term called compensatory afforestation has, come into our system. Since then, we are slowly accumulating the money, but again, ma'am, from 1980 till 2002, 22 years, we have done nothing with that money, and the money was basically lying around with the state government departments or probably some of the central government departments. And unfortunately, yes, as my colleague had just mentioned, until the Supreme Court came in and directed us to form a separate fund and an authority to make sure that this money is properly utilized, we did not do anything. And in 2002, when the Supreme Court had directed to form a fund, ma'am, a CAF fund, after that, again, till 4 years, there was no action. So in 2006, Supreme Court was again directed, has directed to form an ad hoc fund. But then after that, there was an issue. How do we use this money? Ad hoc बोले तो वही होता है कि ad hoc तरीके से ही पैसा दिया जाता है. तो वही हुआ था, मैम. 2-3,000 crores was given away to various states on God knows what criteria, and it was never utilized properly. हम तो कहते हैं मैम कि वृक्षो रक्षिता रक्षिता, लेकिन फॉलो नहीं करते हैं. दिस इज अ क्लासिक एग्जाम्पल. वी हैव नॉट डन दैट. एंड इन 2008, because the governments were not able to utilize this fund, they came up with a bill. The bill was passed in Lok Sabha, as Saugat ji had mentioned, but Rajya Sabha में pass नहीं हुआ. Again the same thing, ma'am. 2008 से लेके 7 साल, 7 years, zero action. Bill कभी भी वापस नहीं आया. And I truly applaud the honorable minister's efforts to bring this bill back and introduce it now. And of course, after 2015, this has gone to the select committee. मैम, इतना इंट्रोडक्शन मैं इसीलिए दे रही हूँ क्योंकि हमें एक बार अपने आप को समझना चाहिए. इंडिया एज अ कंट्री, वी हैव बीन वेरी इनएक्टिव इन एनवायरमेंटल इश्यूज, क्योंकि वी टेक एवरीथिंग फॉर ग्रांटेड. बहुत ज्यादा फॉरेस्ट है तो कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला है. तो वी आर अ लिटिल रिलैक्स्ड इन दीज इश्यूज. वी आर नॉट एज good as Western countries in terms of environmental activism. So my sincere question to Honorable Minister is, sir, does this bill really encourage all the states? I mean, does it inspire all the states to come on board and work? This is a mere mechanism of splitting the money that we have accumulated over so many years. Fine, Telangana also will get its money because our Chief Minister, as Naveen Patnaik ji, is active. जितना भी हमारे पास अब तक पैसा आया था of this Campa fund, 95% of this fund has been utilized by Telangana. Apart from that, we have dedicated money to the greening. So, sir, does this bill really inspire the states? Sincerely, I don't see anything like that. This is basically to distribute the money that we have. And I do believe, sir, the CAG report of 2013 and the serious recommendations or the observations made by the CAG have not been taken into consideration, ma'am. Example, I'll just quote one figure, sir. Out of the total land taken away by these private companies or government PSUs of the forest, only 7% of the land till date, 7% only has been afforested, madam. So at what pace and how, this bill doesn't speak about it. This bill doesn't give any goal to any of the state, or this bill doesn't say, because we are keeping 10% of your money, state's money, this bill doesn't say that the central will play a binding role to the states. A goal-oriented approach is missing, sir. So I believe that should be there. And of course, many states, approximately 7 states, this is a 2013 issue. Gujarat, Haryana, Kerala, Maharashtra, Meghalaya, Punjab, they have done 0% afforestation. यानी हमारे पास initiative ही नहीं है. And how does the central government do that is a question, sir. And this bill, unfortunately, doesn't talk about any of that. And ma'am, we have seen environmental issues have to come from the heart, or at least we have to take people into confidence. And if you are anyway keeping the 10% of the money of the state, sir, I would sincerely as the minister, honorable minister, if you can do something like a Swachh Bharat campaign. We've seen after the Swachh Bharat campaign has come into place, now people, every बच्चा आज जानता है मैम कि स्वच्छ भारत क्या है, भले ढंग से implement हो रहा ना हो वो अलग बात, लेकिन everybody knows. So अगर if we, unless and until we do not utilize this 10% of the money that the central government is keeping to at least involve the people at large, this will go nowhere is what I believe, sir. And आपने आज 29 amendments you have included, sir. I truly appreciate it because I was going to say कि parliamentary standing committee जितने भी recommendations दिए हैं, they have not been taken into consideration. Honorable Minister has now, at least after this amendments, has taken 2 or 3 into consideration. But he has missed a major part. जो इस जंगल में रहने वाले आदिवासी होते हैं, उनका जो minor forest produce पे ये right होता है सर, और उनके साथ ये पैसा बांटने का कोई भी प्रावधान इसमें नहीं है. And this was there in the 2008 bill. Somehow that is completely missing in this bill, sir. I would sincerely like you to throw some light on that. Because unless these cooperatives, minor forest producing cooperatives are taken into consideration and we walk along with them, this afforestation is not going to happen. And sir, इसमें fundamental difference ये है कि एक तो जो हमने जमीन फॉरेस्ट से लेके नष्ट किया है, उसको पूरा करने के लिए ये पैसा यूटिलाइज होना चाहिए ना, ओनली एफॉरेस्टेशन में. लेकिन दिस बिल also says कि greening के लिए भी utilize होगा. Greening is an extra money that should be spent by a country or a state to increase the green cover. So the definition of the greening is not properly there in the bill anyway, sir, but it somehow makes way into the preamble. So I would sincerely request you to look into it, sir. And a little bit, little request from our state, sir. We do believe that the central government, if it is keeping 10%, it is fine. But the 90% of the money should be released to the states in the beginning of the year, sir. By April, our state governments, we will give you the APOs, sir. Procedure आपको हम दे देंगे कि पूरा साल भर हम क्या काम करेंगे. But if you can, in one installment, 90% of the money can be given to the state governments, then we can plan the whole year and work on it. And with this, thank you so much for getting this bill, and we've been waiting for this bill for quite some time, and I really hope that this money will be utilized very well. Thank you, sir.
वो तालियां बजाते रहे, हम देखते रहे.
नहीं, ऐसा कुछ नहीं, सबके लिए है. तालियां बजाने आपके लिए भी है.
50 साल से ये होते रहा. 50 साल से ये होते रहा.
अरे तुम तो बोलने वाले 15 साल भी वही बोलते रहो, 100 साल तक तुम बोलते रहो वही.